Subscribe to K-pop. Hello everyone. In this video, we will be unboxing Pororo Toys. Oh, look at that. That's the Pororo bag. Let's open it and see what's inside. It is now unboxing Pororo Toys. This toy as Pororo and Friends. Look at that. It has a picture of Pororo and his friends. The Pororo, his little penguin. That is Betty. That's Pororo. This is Harry the hummingbird. Eddie the fox. Let us now unbox our next toy. It has rescue car inside. This is the picture of Kronk, the baby dinosaur. Let's open the toys and see one by one. First we have a fire truck. Fire truck is a road vehicle. The fire truck is red. It has Pororo's picture as the firefighter. Oh look, little Pororo is driving a vehicle. Firefighter is a community helper. This is the space to keep all the fire equipments. Fire truck is an emergency vehicle. That's the ladder. And this is the sprayed water. You can put out a fire with it. The next toy is an ambulance. Ambulance is the emergency vehicle. That's the plus sign. Let's open the back door. We have two red headlights. See, little Pororo is driving the ambulance. This is the fire engine external. This is our rescue vehicle. It has beautiful blue and yellow color. This is orange color ladder. ladder, it stands like this. Isn't that awesome? Last toy is taxi. So open the box and see the vehicle. Pororo is a driver here. A white taxi. Pororo and Friends. That's a picture of Kronk and Pororo on the door. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Kitty Pop.